Happy New Year. Today we're going to be playing in some Extinct makeup, and I'm going to be using the It's My Ray Ray palette. This was a collaboration with BH Cosmetics and It's My Ray Ray. This was the first one. I also have the second one. I'm priming my eyes with my P. Louise base. This is what the palette looks like. It was an eyeshadow palette and it had face palette with highlighters, bronzer, all that good stuff, even a contour. Now, I feel like this palette didn't get the hype that it deserved because It's My Ray Ray is such an unproblematic person and she is an OG in the beauty community. And I feel like she don't get her flowers all the time. And I don't know, I feel like this collaboration should have been more popular than what it was. Gonna go in the shade Tiffany. I'm just packing this nice shade on here. I believe she named these shades after her, like her friends and family, which is cute. I don't know what look I'm going for today. I'm just winging it. Going in this shade Spice to really blend out the edges, to give that a little nice gradient. Shade Friday, and then move on to this purple shade to help like deepen up the look. For this palette to be as old, it's really not that bad. They're blending really good for it to be. I had this palette obviously for some years. I think pre-pandemic. This purple is the shade Connie. I remember back, BH Cosmetics used to have like a whole bunch of palettes and a whole bunch of different sales. And that was crazy, a crazy time because people had so many palettes. Even today, people still have like 100+ palettes. Went ahead and cut my crease. I'm going in the shade Angel to put that on there. Now these shades do have a lot of fallout. Just wiping it on, putting my head down because I don't want the fallout to get on my face. Now the shade looks gold, but this is how the shade looks in the pan. Gonna go with the transitioning shades and really blend the edges just a little bit. Back in the Ray Ray palette, I'm going in the shade Brownie Bite to contour and add some more color to my face. I'm going in the shade Friday just to add in a little oomph. I'm going in the shade Nudist. It's like a bone shade. I'm using that to highlight my brow bone to really give give the illusion that there's more space in between my eyeshadow look and my eyebrow. Going in the highlighter shade French Toast. Let's see. That's not too much. It's way more pigmented to what it looks on camera, but I like in lighter shades on my nose. So I'm gonna use the shade Radiant. This shade was, oh yeah, see, look how messy that is. Don't like that shade. The It's My Ray Ray collaboration with BH Cosmetics. She also had a gloss and it's called Ray Ray. Yes, I still have it. Yes, it's cracking in the bottle, but it still smells lovely, so I'm using it. I'm not throwing it away. Oh shit. I really like this lip color. It's very beautiful. Okay, added some lashes, mascara, and boom. This is the finished look using the It's My Ray Ray palette. Extinct makeup, because you can't buy it no more. Let me know what you think. Do you have this palette? I have more Extinct palettes, so look forward to more tutorials.